Alright guys, so I did this off camera just because I wanted to see what I could do. And I got some, it's kinda, it's not perfect, but it seems to work pretty good. As you can see, I get full carburation, and even my brake linkage is set up. So, free here, hit that, we're locked up. So it does work. What I had to do is I actually had to reverse in the remote the throttle switch because the factory servo, which is a Traxxas 2018, turns the other way. So once I reversed it, I was able to get it to pull and work exactly how I want. So it looks like I got good control on the carburetor, and I did experience when I was trying to use the factory throttle linkage, when I would pull on it, it was actually forcing right here. The plastic was pulling up, which would eventually lead to cracks right there. So what I actually had was a spare Slayer chassis, a Slayer 4x4 chassis, and I actually took, for the transmission, that linkage. I cut it down about 3/4 of an inch shorter and bent that little loop there. And then I squeeze it tight enough where, even if I tried, it won't come over the ball on the hinge. I'd like to try and make that just a little bit better, but that at least gives it some slop so it can move and it doesn't get caught up on anything when I'm trying to brake. So hopefully that should work. Tune in, guys. I'm going to try and keep you updated on this truck. Anytime I get a new part, I'll definitely be releasing a video. Thanks.